Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this mini series, I will share with you 4 super delicious and tasty budget meal ideas. So in today's video, I will share with you how I make this very tasty pasta salad. So there are 4 ingredients which I did not add to the cost, and those are salt, water, pepper, and oil, which could be any vegetable oil. So for the salad, I used pasta, kale, tomatoes, and pesto. Cut the tomatoes in half, cook the pasta, and while the pasta is cooling, cook the kale. And I also like to cook the tomatoes for about a minute or 2 over high heat. Mix the pesto and pasta, and add the cooked kale and tomatoes. Mix it again. And there you have not only a budget-friendly but also a quick and easy pasta salad. For more budget tips, make sure to check out the recipe on my website and stay tuned for next week's video. Thanks for watching, guys.